Are you excited to deploy your Shiny app, but feeling a bit lost in the world of Docker? You're not alone. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to get your Shiny app up and running in a Docker container using the Rocker Shiny image. I totally get it. Docker can seem overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. Many people have faced the same challenge of deploying applications in Docker containers, and it can be tricky to navigate. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how do I deploy my Shiny app in a Docker container using the Rocker Shiny image? They want to install the necessary packages, save their changes, and export the image. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So what's the deal with Docker? Essentially, Docker allows you to package your application and its dependencies into a container, ensuring it runs smoothly in any environment. This is especially useful for Shiny apps, which can have specific package requirements. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to deploy your Shiny app, but also have a solid understanding of Docker. Trust me, you won't want to miss the final tips I have for you. To begin deploying the Shiny app, the user should create a Docker file. This file will define the environment for the Shiny app and specify the necessary packages. Next, the user needs to build the Docker image using the Docker file. This can be done by running a command in the terminal that specifies the current directory. After building the image, the user should run the Docker container. This will start the Shiny server and make the app accessible on a specified port. Finally, the user can access the Shiny app by opening a web browser and navigating to the local server address. This will allow them to see their app in action. Fun fact, Docker was originally developed to help developers manage their applications more efficiently. Now it's a game changer for deploying apps like Shiny. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to deploying your Shiny app is to use the Rocker Shiny Docker image. You can start by running a simple command to launch the Shiny server. Just use docker run rmap 3838 rocker/shiny. This will set up the server for you. If you want to customize your Shiny server further, you can create your own Docker file. Start with the Rocker Shiny image as your base. Your Docker file would look like this, from Rocker Shiny Latest. Here's a pro tip. Always test your Docker container locally before deploying it to a server. This way, you can catch any issues early on and ensure everything runs smoothly. And there you have it. You now know how to deploy your Shiny app in a Docker container. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep exploring the world of Docker.